This is Harshini Elath, and I'm a guest speaker here in Aspen Solutions, and I thank Jason for giving me this opportunity. A quick introduction about myself. I am a graduate student. I'm doing my master's in computer science from UT Taylor, and I've been working as a part-time ServiceNow developer for more than a year now, and I'm currently looking for any new opportunities in ServiceNow and also in data analytics field. So please feel free to connect with me and contact me for any technical discussions. So moving over, today I'm going to walk through the steps of creating interactive dashboards. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show how to create a dashboard, something like this, with the interactive filters. So by this I mean, so when I click the instant priority to be critical, so the report changes based on the filter I select, and it only shows the reports of critical priority. And also I have other one filter here, which is my assignment groups. So I'm only interested in the assignment groups I work, like software and hardware. I'm gonna see the open and closed incidents only belonging to that assignment group, and also the categories of incidents belonging to this group, and also taking into account the incident priority. So let's see how to create this. First of all, we need to create the reports. So I'm gonna start by creating instance by category report. So for this, let's go to the reports, click reports, create new, and so I'm going to give this name instant by category, and this table, as you know, it's incident table, and click next. I'm going to select the bar chart type of graph here, and so now, as you said, I'm going to group this by category. So select group by category and click next. So I'm going to use color palette just to show the different categories, and keep the chart size to medium, and display data labels, a little bit of styling. And so yeah, here we have the incidents group by categories. I'm gonna just remove this empty category just for namesake. So for this, I just need to select the condition category is not none and click run. So yeah, now we have the report here with us, which are grouped by category. To save the report, just click save report. And now, as you can see, when you click on this report, when you click on this incident one category, you have the second group by incident state, like the closed and progress. So let's see how to create this. This is basically a drill down that you add to a report. So when you click on this option, you have an option now, add drill down. So click on this, and now we want this by incident by state. So incident by state, and for this I'm just going to select pie chart. You can select whichever you want, and group by state. Click next, and as usual I'm going to keep chart size to medium and display data labels. So here we have, so now the state incidents are categorized by state. So to save drill down, click option save drill down, and now we have the report. So now I have 25 incidents in incident category inquiry or help. So when I click on this, it shows the incidents by state. So in 25 incidents, 14 are closed, 6 are progress, new 3, and on hold 2. So yeah, so this is the first report. Click save report, and the next report I'm going to show is open and closed incidents by the assignment groups or the work groups you wired. So for this, go to option create a report, and I'm going to name this instance or open / closed incidents my work groups. And again I'm going to select the incident table. So here I'm going to select a time series type of chart, because we are gonna see the number of open and closed instances over the time. So for this I'm gonna select the time series chart, click next, and I'm gonna group this by assignment group. And in selecting trend by, we need to select the open field, as we want the number of open tickets. And here you can select per year, per month, per day. So I'm gonna go for month, and so yeah, here we have. And just for presentation purposes, I'm gonna select instead of having the default colors, I'm gonna have green for to show the number of open incidents. So this is just to differentiate between open and closed incidents when we add them. And click refresh to show the report that has been done, and click save report to save this. So yeah, so now we have the open incidents. So now let's see how to add the closed incidents. For this you need to say add data set. So now here we have the closed incidents, and just see that you can select different tables. So it's basically, you can, if you want to show related tables that is with the incident table, you can even select that. So for now I'm going to go with incident table, and as we have the time series as our base chart, we can only select categories of time series type. And I'm going to go by the same assignment grouping, and here in trend by I'm going to select closed, as we want the number of closed tickets. Click next, and here as I selected blue light, for that I'm going to select greens. For that I'm going to select blues, and click refresh. So yeah, here we have the number of closed tickets based on December, November, like the months. So I'm going to save this data set. I don't know why this is not going. Okay, and save this report. So now we have the reports. Let's put them in a dashboard like this. So for this, click dashboards, new, I'm going to create incidents and submit. So now our dashboard is here. So now we can start adding widgets. So in widgets, first I'm gonna add the reports. So we built the reports. So I'm gonna have instance by category. First one I created, and the other report which had the open and closed incidents for my work groups. And as I said, I'm gonna add filters. So for this you have to select the interactive filters, and you have options. So first to select the incident priority filter that's in the choice list. So incident priority single, add this. And the other filter we want to add is by assignment group. So instance assignment group, you have single or multiple. I'm going to move to multiple for now, which means you can select multiple assignment groups. I'm going to take some time to just format all this. So So this is very nice to drag and drop kind of functionality, which makes it very easy to organize the dashboard. Yeah, and one more thing we want to do here is change the setting of this. So now we have added the filters. To actually change based on the filters we have selected, we need to click the option follow interactive filter for both the reports. And yeah, so just remember to click refresh so that everything is added. Yeah, so now here we have, so now let's see, I'm only in the assignment group of software and I only want the incidents that are related to that. So here you have the number. So like based on the months, I have open and closed tickets. So the open are shown by green and closed are shown by the blue. And here I have incidents by category. And also when I click on this, I have the incidents by state, which is nice, right? You have a drill down, and now I can even select the priority. I just want the critical priority instance. So go there, and here you have all the open incidents and this thing. So and also you can have the option to select multiple groups if you are in multiple groups, and it also shows multiple groups of the categories, and you have the drill down again. So yeah, this is a nice interactive dashboard with filters and drill downs, and also options of adding different data sets to already existing report. So yeah, thank you for watching, and feel free to contact me on LinkedIn for any discussions. Thank you.